Hello friends, this is Lakhan Tanwani and welcome back to my channel. Guys, Donald Trump says there is no risk of China invading Taiwan and that he expects a fair trade deal with Xi Jinping. But can we really take that at a face value? So guys, in this live stream we will deep dive into what's really happening behind these calm headlines, from Beijing's growing military pressure to the US economic chase game. Is Trump calming markets or covering a bigger plan? So, guys, let's break it down all in this video. If you have been following the headlines, you have probably seen it. Donald Trump once again dominating the global conversation. This time saying he doesn't believe China will invade Taiwan. He even added that he is expecting a fair trade deal with Xi Jinping soon. Sounds reassuring, right? But I have got to ask you, are we hearing the truth or are we watching another round of political theater designed to keep everyone calm while something much bigger brews underneath? So, guys, let's unpack it. Let's see the calm statement that shook the analyst. When Trump downplays China's invasion risk, markets breathe a sign of relief. Investors like stability and the world peace always makes stocks rise. But guys, here is the twist. While he is talking about peace and fair trade, China's behavior in the Taiwan Strait tells a very different story. Military jets have increased patrols, warships have crossed the median line, and Taiwan's defense ministry has reported record airspace violations. So, guys, what's going on here? On one side, Trump's projecting confidence. On the other, China is showing strength. This statement, more than just diplomacy, it's a high stakes bluff game. So, guys, what is the real game? Trade over territory. Here is where I think Trump's playing a longer game. Trump's presidency and even his political brand has always been built on deals. He is framing the Taiwan tension not as a military threat but as a negotiation tool. By saying no invasion, he is positioning himself as the calm deal maker who can talk China down. But think about it, does Beijing see Taiwan as a trade chip or non negotiable sovereignty issue? For Xi Jinping, Taiwan isn't about economics, it's about legacy and control. That's where Trump's optimism starts looking a bit naive or maybe strategically misleading. So, guys, here is my unique take on this, the art of misdirection. Now, this feels like a classic Trump move. Say something bold that captures attention, even if it oversimplifies reality. It's possible Trump's no invasion comment is less about intelligence briefings and more about managing perception. He knows his audience, both American voters and international markets. By projecting calm, he avoids panic, protects US economic confidence, and keeps the strong negotiator image alive. But the danger, if China actually escalates, these statements could age very badly. Because while as reassuring Americans, Taiwan is sitting right next to a military buildup that looks anything but peaceful. So the real question isn't will China invade? It's how long can both sides pretend this tension is just about trade. So guys, now let's see the economic chessboard. Let's not forget what's really on the table here. Trillions in trade. China is America's biggest supplier of goods. A full conflict or even a trade breakdown would crash global supply chains overnight. Trump's talk about a fair deal might actually be an attempt to buy time to stop inflation, calm markets, and stabilize oil prices ahead of 2026 election narratives. But here is the irony. While the US tries to de risk, American companies are still deeply tied to Chinese manufacturing. So when Trump talks to one day and talks peace the next, it's not contradiction, it's strategy. He's trying to talk the economy into staying strong. So, guys, let's see from the Taiwan's perspective between two giants. Meanwhile, Taiwan stuck in the middle. They hear Trump say no invasion, but they see China practicing amphibious drills right off their coast. They see the US selling them weapons, but also sending mixed diplomatic signals. Taiwan knows both powers need it for leverage, not the loyalty. That's why they are rapidly investing in self defense, cybersecurity, and even semiconductor production. Because they know when push comes to shove, they are the bargaining chip in someone else's deal. So, guys, here is where I stand on this. Trump's comments might be comforting, but they shouldn't be taken literally. They are a part of carefully crafted narrative, one that keeps voters calm, markets stable, and headlines spinning. But beneath that calm voice, the US China relationship is still on the edge of a storm. So, guys, what do you think? Is Trump playing a smart diplomatic game, or is he dangerously downplaying a real threat? Guys, drop your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I will be reading them all. And if you found this stream insightful, hit a like button, share it with someone who loves political discussions, and subscribe for more daily breakdowns of what's really going on behind the headlines. Until next time, stay sharp because in global politics, peace is often the calm before the next move. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.